Ever feel like your projects stumble right out of the gate? Like you're trying to build a house on shaky foundations? You're not alone. Many projects face challenges early on due to weak initiation, that crucial phase where you define what you want to achieve and how you'll get there. But what if there was a way to make this initial stage smoother, clearer, and ultimately more effective? Enter Nifty, a project management platform that can be a game changer for how you kick off your projects. Think of Nifty as your organized, efficient, and collaborative partner, guiding you through the essential steps of project initiation with ease. It's not just about assigning tasks. It's about setting the stage for success from the very beginning. So, how exactly can Nifty support effective project initiation? Let's break it down into key areas. 1. Centralized project definition, laying a solid foundation. The first step in any successful project is clarity. What are you trying to achieve? What are the goals? What are the boundaries? Nifty provides a central hub to define all these critical elements. Instead of scattered emails and documents, you can create a dedicated project space where everyone involved can access and understand the core objectives. Goal setting. Nifty allows you to clearly articulate project goals and even break them down into smaller, manageable milestones. This ensures everyone is on the same page about what success looks like. Scope management. Defining the project scope, what's included, and, equally importantly, what's not included, is vital to prevent scope creep. Nifty helps you document the scope clearly, reducing the chances of misunderstandings and unwanted additions later on. Stakeholder alignment. By having a centralized platform, you ensure all stakeholders, from team members to clients, have access to the project's definition. This fosters transparency and allows for early feedback and buy-in. 2. Streamline task management, breaking down the big picture. Once you know the what, you need to figure out the how. Project initiation involves identifying the initial tasks and activities required to get the project off the ground. Nifty's task management features make this process intuitive and organized. Task creation and assignment. You can easily create initial tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. This provides a clear roadmap of early activities and who is responsible for them. Dependency mapping. Some tasks can't start until others are complete. Nifty allows you to establish task dependencies, ensuring a logical flow of work from the outset. Progress tracking. Even in the early stages, tracking progress is important. Nifty's visual dashboards and progress bars give you an immediate overview of how the initial tasks are moving forward. 3. Enhanced collaboration, getting everyone on board early. Project initiation is rarely a solo effort. It requires input and collaboration from various individuals and teams. Nifty fosters seamless communication and collaboration right from the start. Team communication. Nifty's built-in communication tools, like direct messaging and project discussions, allow team members to easily communicate, ask questions, and share ideas during the initiation phase. File sharing. Sharing essential documents, like project briefs, requirements documents, and initial plans, is simple and secure within Nifty. This eliminates the hassle of searching through endless email threads. Guest access. If external stakeholders or clients need to be involved in the initiation phase, Nifty allows for secure guest access, ensuring they have the necessary information and can provide feedback. 4. Risk assessment and planning, anticipating potential hurdles. Effective project initiation involves identifying potential risks and developing preliminary mitigation plans. While Nifty isn't a dedicated risk management tool, its features can support this crucial aspect. Task-related discussions. Potential risks can be discussed within specific tasks, allowing for early identification and brainstorming of solutions. Document sharing. Risk assessment documents and initial mitigation strategies can be easily shared and accessed within the project space. Timeline visualization. Nifty's Gantt chart view can help visualize potential bottlenecks and dependencies that might pose risks to the project timeline. 5. Resource allocation. Planning for what you need. Even in the initiation phase, you need to start thinking about the resources required for the project. Nifty provides tools to help with initial resource allocation planning. Team member availability. Nifty allows you to see team member availability, helping you assign initial tasks to those who have the capacity. Time tracking. While primarily used during project execution, Nifty's time tracking features can be used in the initiation phase to estimate the time required for initial tasks, providing valuable data for future planning. 6. Reporting and insights. Learning from the start. Nifty's reporting features provide valuable insights into the progress of the initiation phase. Task completion rates. You can track the completion rate of initial tasks, identifying any potential delays early on. Team activity. Monitoring team activity provides insights into engagement and potential roadblocks. In simple terms, Nifty as your project launchpad. Think of Nifty as the launchpad for your projects. It provides the structure, tools, and communication channels you need to clearly define your project, break it down into manageable steps, and get everyone aligned from the very beginning. By using Nifty effectively during project initiation, you can reduce ambiguity and confusion, minimize the risk of scope creep, improve team collaboration and communication, identify potential problems early on, set a clear path for successful project execution. For anyone looking to learn about or implement effective project initiation practices, Nifty offers a user-friendly and powerful platform to put these principles into action. It's not just a tool. It's a guide that helps you build strong project foundations, leading to better outcomes and more successful projects overall. So, if you're ready to take your project initiation to the next level, Nifty might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for.